my thigh. It's a pretty warm day, 89.2 degrees ambient. The hot and cool head is set at its maximum for a while now. I'm going to apply it to my thigh here, right there. And it feels warm to the touch. You can see it gets everything red. The more you concentrate on one spot, the harder that it gets. So you can just stay at one single spot. And then when you come off of it, 101 degrees right there. I'm going to set it on the coolest setting. We'll let it cool itself down because it was really hot just now. We can see it's going down in temperature, 83 degrees, 82. Notice there's a square spot of condensation right in the center. That's where the Peltier element is, and it's already reached 62 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we can apply it for some cold therapy. Feels like an ice pack, actually. And that fan is actually actively making it cooler and cooler. I can apply this for a while, and then come off of it, 70 degrees. And if I just kind of go around, try to make everything cool. And you can use this separately by itself and just apply it to somewhere and remove it. See, 70, kind of like stamping the cold right here. Stamp some more cold here.